Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a new Dollar Tree haul to share with you, and let me show you what I found this week at my Dollar Tree. I am loving my Dollar Tree. Well, then again, I always love my Dollar Tree. But my shopping this week includes a few Valentine items. And look at this heart. Isn't that pretty? It is red and then all the white parts are glittered with the white glitter. So my Dollar Trees are now $1.25. So we're starting with this haul. All my items are $1.25. So, and then I also found this heart. I damaged my word on the way home, but that's okay. I can still work with that. I just like the floral print on the frame. It is really cute. I bought one, and then I picked up some more tassels. My Dollar Trees are now at the point where they only have like leftovers, so that and probably missing boxes they found in the warehouse. So I picked up 5 more of the Be Mines. I like these little red hearts that say Be Mine. They're so cute. And then I picked up 4 of my True Love. And I only found the one that says Hugs. But I plan to DIY these here. And I'm going to leave the red ones as they are. I'm quite happy I found a bunch. And then I found some stamps. And you get 8 stamps in there. And let me show you what's in here. So you get this one. Look at that. That's a heart with hearts inside. You get the red truck. Here's another heart. It's one of those scribbly hearts. I love those. And that one says Hugs. And then you get the gnome. That one says Love Never Fails. XOOX. Okay. And then you get this one. This one says You Rock. I decided to give these stamps a try. I will figure out a use for those. I also picked up these hearts. Now you get 20 pieces in each bag. They are called Table Scatter. And they are felt hearts. Look at that. They're hearts embellished with hearts. And so far each one looks different. Look at that. Nice. A very good collection. I like that one. I'm happy I got those. Look at that one. I like these. They're really, really, really cute. And let me put these aside. I also picked up these vase fillers. Now they call them decor, and you get 24 pieces in each bag. And I picked up 3 bags. I thought it would make a cute addition to my supply box for future crafting. So those came home with me. And next I picked up some lights. These are string lights and they're pink. You get 6 lights and they do use 2 double A batteries. I picked up 4. And this is what they look like. Look at that. The glitter fallout on these lights is absolutely ridiculous. So you will need to DIY these if you need to, use the glitter again. Get that, put the light in there. I like it. It's really cute. I bought 4 because I needed some lights for my tree. And I plan on using this like I would do a ribbon and just drape it on my tree like that. I think it'll look really cute. I'm quite happy I found these. I am pretty much done with all the Valentine here. Next, I picked up some supplies, and I also picked up a few other items for my enjoyment. Let me clear some glitter away. I picked up these fabrics that I found. Now, these fabrics are a little late to the Dollar Tree. Or maybe they were in the, hiding among the boxes in the warehouse. But let me open this up. I bought 2 of the black and the white check. Look at that. The buffalo white and black plaid. Is that what they call them? I like them. I picked up 2 of those. And then there was also this one here. Now this one has a winter print on there. I guess you can use it for Christmas too. Look at this. Isn't that cute? It's the gnomes. Look at that. And you have snowflakes in the back. Of course, you got the pine branch, some wreaths, some skates. Look at that. It would make a really cute winter project. I picked up 2 each of those fabrics. And then I also found this vinyl paper. Now, I have not seen this color yet. Seafoam. Look at that. Isn't that a cute color? I like that. I picked up one of these just because I love the color. No other reason. I picked up 2 of these clear glues. Now, these are those Boss Stick glues. And I don't know what the difference is, but I have bought some before. So this one says fine and wide. Let me see if I have the other one here. This one here. This one is a multi-purpose adhesive. So I don't know what the real difference is, because they both have 5-point and a spreader applicator. But I will tell you this, don't use this on the top surface. If you do, if it does leak, like if you're putting it on top of your project, and if it does leak, it will leave a very glossy finish. I would use it on projects that you are going to cover up. That's my advice. Other than that, it does work very well. I also picked up some craft sticks. I needed some regular size craft sticks, so I picked up 1 package. You do get 100 pieces in that one. I also picked up some more bottles. I needed some more bottles. These travel jars. And they are for bath and shower. You get 3 jars per bag. But I like using these for my beads and for like glitter and sequins, that kind of thing. It works out really well. Bought 2 bags of those. I also bought some pump spray bottles, they're called. You get 2 bottles per bag, and they're 2 fluid ounce containers. So I picked up 2 bags of those. I then picked up, since I was picking up the other bottles, I picked up this one. This is the squeeze applicator bottles. I needed a new bottle for my glue. I don't know what happened to the other one. It decided to stop working. It didn't want to cooperate with me anymore. I also picked up this Stencil Wheel. Now these, I don't know if Dollar Tree's had it before and I just missed it, but I picked this one up because it is appropriate for the season. Now these are hearts. Look at this. You get several design on here. You got that one there. There's that. There's some really cute stencils on here. Look at that one. There's that one. That. That one's cute. I like that one too. So you get 6 hearts in there. They're really cute. I like them. So I picked up the one and I wanted to give it a try. I did buy those wooden cutouts, heart cutouts a while back, and I was thinking about using these stencils on those. I think it'll make a cute project. I also picked up 2 of these adhesive diamond wraps. These are the purple diamond wraps. I picked up 2 and I needed these for one of my Valentine projects. I did not have any and I was glad to find it in the purple. I also picked up some bags. I picked up 2 of these 2-pocket envelopes. I like these. Now you can put like you know, stickers in here. You can put receipts in here, whatever you want. Divide your paperwork in there. And I picked up 2 of the double pockets. And I also found these bags. These are cosmetic bags, but I figured I can use it for my craft projects. You know, sometimes I need like a little bag and I can just use this. See how thick or wide it is? So there's plenty of space in here. I can put all kinds of stuff in here, you know, like, well, I'm not going to put lights in there, but let me just show you. See, it's large enough to where it can hold that light box. Look at that. So it's plenty of space in there. I picked up 5 of these. These I picked up the iridescent one. I know there's another color there. 1 or 2 more colors, but I like this style, so I picked up this one. The last 2 items I'm going to show you was quite a surprise. I am glad I found these. Look at this. Now these are the Betty White collections. The blue one is Life with Elizabeth collection, and you get 20 hilarious episodes on 2 DVDs. Nice. And let's see, you get 8 hours 30 minutes viewing time. So that's Life with Elizabeth. And then the red one. Look at this one. You get the very best of television Betty White collection. And this one you get several episodes. You get 40 episodes on 3 DVDs. And you get 17 hours 15 minutes of view time. That is a very good buy. So this one, it covers Life with Elizabeth, Date with the Angels, let's see, Mary Tyler Moore Show, and the Golden Girls. quite a nice collection. I'm glad I found these. So I'm going to take a look at these. I enjoyed watching Betty White on TV for sure. I'm really glad I found these. So I will be taking a look at those. Well, everyone, that is my Dollar Tree haul for this week. I am quite happy with my shopping trip to the Dollar Tree this week. I believe I am done with Valentine. Of course, unless I find my ribbons, then, you know, I will show you. But other than that, I'm now looking forward to finding some Easter and some garden products. That will be a nice find for me. And I hope that you have found what you are looking for as far as your Valentine decor is. And I hope that you continue to find whatever you have on your wish list. Thank you for stopping by to watch my Dollar Tree haul. And this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.